Hello.
Hello, Eve.
Hey, good morning.
Today this meeting is for viewing a demo of the module that you have created. So here, is there anything that you want to discuss before we get started?
Yep. Should I share my screen?
Yes, please.
Okay. Okay. So here is the dashboard. After login, you can see application. Here are the history, and here is the account information. The user can update, and here is the logout. Here, for testing purpose, I added one, submitted, this trending, and one is top. And if you here is the option to view, edit, duplicate, and the delete. And if I try to view it, here is the view details, and user can also edit from here directly. Here is all the datas, and here like before, here user can add the text. Here is the information, and here we can save as a draft, also submit. Let's submit it. And if I go to the all application, you can see that is not draft yet. And if I make another one, so that
if I start a new application, can I start an application from something I did before?
say again, please.
So if I need to start a request, can I start from a request that I already made?
Yeah, you can. Wait, let me show you.
Yeah.
So I'm added here. I'm just putting submit. Okay. So if I this one, let's say this one, just now I submitted. Okay. And I wanna resubmit this one again. Just make it duplicate and same information here, and then again submit. Let's say let's put here. Hello. The name. Okay. Okay. Then let's submit here. If this is number 6C. Here is the new submission one.
And if we can view that?
Yeah, here is the view. Wait, let me send you credential. You can see also yourself. Wait. You can check also yourself. 1 second. This the chat box, and I'm giving the username and password. Second. This is the pass. And this is the user. And then you have to go to this my account page on the menu after login. And this is the front end and how it will be work from the backend. After submission in a form, you will website admin or whatever who you want, they will get an email, and also the user who will submit, he will get also email that your email has been submitted. And from the dashboard here will be a option for form, and here you can see you could see all of the submission data. Even you can also filter like user base, time base.
So, but this is then the admin portal.
Yeah, this is tonight I will be done everything. Work left now.
Okay. So the first thing we saw was us being a user. Yeah. Can you please pretend again that we are a user and that we want to submit something? Because I still have a few things in my head. So maybe, yeah, if you can go to the very beginning. So where we go to the website of Quercus first.
Yes. Let's say I'm a user. Actually, here few work left, so that's why I'm unable to directly log in and register from here. Wait, let me try. So this is the website. Okay, I'm coming here. Right, let's reload. Okay, this is the website. And now I wanna log in or
Yeah.
register.
So maybe the first thing, it
Mhm.
said something like account. I would change that to login. I think that's clearer, no?
Yes.
Yeah, sure. We can, yeah. And then here have to log in.
Mm-hmm.
Can we copy the pass?
So that's after the registered has been made, eh?
Moderate. Yeah, first of all, have to register.
Yeah.
But here, the register is not working. I mean, few
Okay.
left. Okay. Here, directly here, login is not working. I mean, few work left. First, I have to check from the admin. Okay. And if I visit this account, what the heck? Oh, okay. So as a user, I'm logged in.
Okay.
This is user dashboard. And here is my all application. And let's say I wanna resubmit this one. I have to just duplicate. And here is the information. And if I need to change this, then I go. If not, then delete sub. And let's say submit this. And if I go to the applications, and again here we can see the history. And if need new, then we can just click on new application. And that's it. And here
Would it be possible to move the new to a little bit higher? Because especially if they have done a lot of applications, I think it would be easier if they can see immediately the new button as well. No?
blue, but not understand.
If you could place the new button to be at the very top, maybe just next to my
Yeah.
applications, it's easy for the user to identify it.
Yeah, sure. We can add the button here or here, whatever. No problem.
Okay.
And here the status, as you can see, this is pending. After submit from the admin after test, here will be the form data. And from here, you could change the status that done or whatever. You can change the status from the backend as admin. Like if I go to.
Is that something that you will be doing, Eve?
Yes, tonight it will be done, but I can give you a similar example. Let me show you. Let's say.
if those
Yes.
statuses, is that something that you will be working with that or not?
It's something that we currently do not do. How I would see it, when a customer submits the file, then it's pending. Maybe it's good that we acknowledge the submission. So maybe when we open it, it's acknowledged, or I don't know how it works.
Okay, so here after the submitted data like this, the all form will be listed this here. You can filter something like this, and here you can also edit the order status from here after see the forms. Like, let me make it English. Yeah, already English.
So I understand correctly then that Eve or someone in Eve's team would need to go into the admin panel and then update the status to a new status, correct?
Yes, this is actually this is not mandatory. If you want that, you can change the status. Then you can. If you don't want, then we can totally remove this feature. It's up to you.
No, I think it's good. Pending, and then request received, and then we also have an important status, samples received.
Yeah, whatever you want, like receive, pending, done, or inquiry, progressing, whatever.
No, that it's okay to leave it for the moment. What I will do after this meeting during this week, I also will need to check it internally when you give me the login and the things to have an internal
Already I given you the logins information. You can check, and after tonight, this feature it will be work dynamically. I mean, I'll solve it. So then you can also register and log in, and you can check.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you will give the login details to Eve then?
The login details is the same what I gave on the Zoom chat. And that's, if you want, you can also try to be a register and log in.
Okay,
And
I will make a register, and then how can I look into the admin web page? How can I go in there?
the admin I already given, the WP admin after domain, that is the for admin, and the user and password on the chat. Should I send you again?
It's the developer at Gmail that we should use to log in.
Yeah, this is my user. If you want, you can use for admin.
What I will do is I will try to make a register of my own.
Yeah, sure.
And then the admin, I need to use the developer Gmail and the password that is in the text here.
Yep.
Okay.
And on the form, should I change something on the field?
Could you show the form again? Because I had a few questions there.
Watch. This is the form.
So yeah, maybe can we go from the top for the responsible person details? So I don't think you have to repeat the text field for the name twice. It's like if you say responsible person details and then just the name field, it should be enough.
Okay. Can you just give me a field list so that I could update?
Yes, sure. Yeah, I can send you a list. And then I wanted to know where they can upload a document, attach a document to this form.
Okay. So when you given the Excel sheet, I didn't see any field, but that's why I didn't add here. But I can add, no problem. Where do you?
Okay.
Okay,
In the Excel field, there is a sorry. In the Excel, there is a field called method in attachment. So that was manual. So I think they just I mean they have just given this field as yes or no. Am I right, Eve, in understanding it right correctly?
Okay, no problem here. Here changeable everything and editable, no problem. Just give me a final list of the field, then I will update it, no problem.
Okay.
So anything else I have to do?
And in the screenshot that you sent for creating, like the details that are displayed when creating an account, I think some information is missing from what we had mentioned in the URLs. I can send you that. I mean, what other information has to be included as well.
Okay, right. I'm giving a screenshot. Yes.
Yeah. But then I think what we should do now is test it, give our feedback, and then if you will also come back on the statuses, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. The login registration at the back end after done tonight, and I will make a screen record and send you for the guideline so that you can change accurately.
Perfect.
Sohail, can I like ask you again about the status? How have you configured it now? Like, at what stage, what status would be displayed for the form currently?
For which role it will be shown as admin?
For a, yeah, does it? I mean, does the status? Is the status different for admin and a normal user?
Yeah, actually here, when you register from the account, this is the normal user. You are not the website admin.
Okay.
So the status, the form submission is not right now pending. For changes it, you need to account access of admin of the website. But if you want that like moderator, or if you want another kind of user role, we can add, and it will be attached with that user.
Okay.
Yeah. Right.
I'm
But
not
then
sure
I
that
think
I was following, but so the status can only be changed by the admin, of course, and the customer
Right.
just sees.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
But right now this function is there. But let's say the website one is another person, and let's say you are the manager of the website. So if you want, I could make a user as a manager to you, and you can also update the access and sort the status.
Could we? But that's maybe easy to add, and it was not requested in the first place. But could we add when the testing is done, the COA to the test, so that the status is pending, request received, sample received, and then when it's completed, that they have a link to the certificate that we delivered?
Yeah, if you want, you can also, as admin, you can also attach the certificate, and that will be shown on the dashboard dynamically.
and how would that work?
This is what it need at least one day, but I can give you a few idea. Just a second. Let's say here is pending, and here we could put another one, certificate, and here will be attached. Wait, let me show you something. Here will be do something like that, and here is the view version, something like that. Here will be view, and then the PDF or image, whatever you will upload, it will be open.
That's maybe interesting, Martin, no?
Yeah. And where
Hey?
where would Eve need
So
to
that-
upload it?
But for it, at least 2 days need to make the functional.
Let's then
But where
first look.
Yeah, I was wondering, and where would Eve need to upload that then? Because creating a button is one thing, but we need to make sure that there's something behind the button. So where would Eve need to upload the certificate?
This is from the backend. From where you will change the status. There will be option for
Okay.
upload.
It's the admin.
Yes, admin.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, Eve, you can go.
No, clear? I clear. I think we need some playing around with it to get a better feeling of it, and then give you the final feedback, I think. No?
So what you are wanted, we are going the same way, same path.
So I will use. I will make a register this afternoon or tomorrow for myself as a user.
Yeah.
Then I will try some things together with some people of the lab, and I can use the developer7@gmail and the password from this to go into the admin function, and then we can see there.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. And then based on the testing, we will give you some feedback. And those are then some changes you would still need to do.
Yeah, sure, no problem. I mean, when I'll be done, for understand better you, I'll update you with a screen record.
The statuses is something that's not yet to be changed by the admin, that you did not yet implement.
Yep.
Okay. Okay.
All right. So Eve and Nirekshana will play around. Do we need to
Yeah.
schedule the next meeting so that we can check whether all the feedback has been reworked correctly, or?
Okay, sure.
Maybe same time next week?
Yep, sure. I have a question here about the payment. We are almost done. And so what you're thinking when we'll place the order on Fiverr?
I think so. Eve is going to do some testing now, and then he will give you the feedback. And then once you have reworked the feedback and we've put it live in the production environment, we can close the project in Fiverr.
Okay, no problem.
But
Here,
if
yeah.
you want, we can make let's say a first payment when when technically it's ready, and then the second payment once it is implemented in production. If you want that. If you want one payment, we do one payment, but if you want two payments, we can do the payment once it has been delivered.
Okay, all right, then let's do one time, no problem.
Okay. But no worry, it will become okay.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Perfect, yeah. For me, it's clear.
Good. Okay, perfect. Nirekshana, can you schedule the next meeting then, same time next week?
Yes, sure, Martin. Yes.
All right.
Could we do a little bit later? Yeah, no, this time should be fine. Yeah, 11 should be fine.
I will not be in the meeting because I'm in an external meeting, but I don't think I'm 100% necessary. Because if you want me in the meeting, then we would need to do it probably next week, Tuesday or Wednesday.
Let's do it on Tuesday.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's better that you
Okay. In that case, we can do 10:30.
Okay. One question. Let's say that it works. In terms of support, Martijn, can then someone of the team take over? Because yeah, probably once you're working for a month or a customer feedback, it would be handy to add an extra field or to delete this, or how does it work afterwards? Because during the use, it probably will need some minor tweaks as well. Huh?
I don't know. Then that's something we would need to check with Peter. And otherwise, we can do that with Sohel, I think.
So if let's say in 2 months time we have 5 minor changes in terms of layout and
For first 1 month, I mean after deliver, if needed is something added or remove, simple changes, no need to charge. But later, if simple, I'll do not charge. But if something minor, I mean there is some difficulties time, then we will charge.
okay. But you will be available for changes afterwards, huh?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
All right. Clear? Perfect.
For me as well.
Okay. Thanks, everyone.
Yeah.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
See you next Tuesday. Bye.
Bye.